rain has been falling, the wind has been howling, but nevertheless, it's a beautiful day to continue the history for Philippine basketball as we come to you live inside the Brenzigao Convention Center in the Christmas and the culinary capital of the Philippines, San Fernando City, Pampanga. And this is the Junior World Showcase as the Clifton Tigers 19 under division is now ready to face off the Philippine team, the Apalit I Love It, with Elijah Yusi, who registered 16 points, 5 rebounds, 2 assists. But the question is, can he make wonders for today for Apalit I Love It? Our game at hand, Clifton Tigers versus the Apalit I Love It. To everybody watching from Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, and to all over the world, good evening. Penelope Wilhelmina alongside with the President and the CEO of Sinag Liga Asia, Boss Ray Alao. Boss Ray, good evening.
Siyempre, good evening sa lahat ng fans natin sa siyempre buong mundo na. Diba? Maraming salamat sa pagsubaybay nyo po sa siyempre sa Junior World Showcase natin. Grabe, nakakatuwa kasi alam mo yun, na may showcase ng mga bata sa iba-ibang bansa, yung talent nila.
And of
siyempre, kasama ko yung pinakamagandang Penelope ng Sinag Liga Asia.
Of course, makakasama din natin mamaya ay dalawang naggagandahang dilag, our courtside reporters. Ay makakarinig tayo ng report later on for Jasmine and Althea later on. But before anything else, pwede nyo pong matutukan itong Sinag Liga As on our different social media platforms, on our Facebook and Instagram at Sinag Liga Asia para po updated kayo sa mga ating team standings, sa ating mga schedules para dito sa ating 5 days sa Junior World Showcase Tournament on our YouTube and TikTok at Sinag Liga TV. But the most important thing here, Boss Ray, is let's talk about our tournament format.
Yan, siyempre, preliminary round, single round elimination, 10 teams, 2 groups of 5 teams, top 2 teams advance kagad dyan sa semifinals. Semifinals natin crossovers, winner will advance to finals. Siyempre, pagdating ng knockout game, kailangan makita na natin kung sino yung para sa Junior World Champion.
And wag na natin ito patagalin pa. Coming up is the battle between the Clifton Tigers and Apalit I Love It. And now I'm turning you over to our arena announcer, Ram Valid, for our Sinag starters of the game.
Good evening, SLA fans, and we're coming to you live inside the amazing Brenzigao Convention Center, San Fernando City, Pampanga. Welcome to Sinag Liga Asia Junior World Showcase, presented to you by Sinag Liga Asia, Governor Dennis Delta Pineda, and Royce Hotel and Casino. We're also live at Sinag Liga Asia official FB page and YouTube channel at Sinag Liga TV, powered by Converge. This is our 6th game for the day 2 of the competition. It's the battle between Clifton Tigers, New Jersey, and your Apalit I Lover. And now let's meet the starting lineup of the protagonists. First, for your Clifton Jersey Tigers. Starting at guard number 4, Nilo Mesa. Also at guard number 5, Julian Espano. At forward number 15, Ronald Caicedo. Also at forward number 20, AJ Salvador. And center number 22, Lance Aurigue. Clifton Tigers, New Jersey is led by Coach Benny Sarmiento. Assistant coaches Joseph Salvador, Salvi Remio, and Carl Carpio. Your Clifton Tigers, New Jersey. And now let's meet the starting 5 of your Apalit I Lover. Point guard number 0, Trevor Garcia. Shooting guard number 11, Moore Alao. At forward number 8, John Bar Eligado. Also at forward number 24, Gio Jamonte. And center number 1, Drew Jimenez. Apalit love is led by Coach Jay Shera. Assistant coaches Edgar Bingol, Perry Gardiner, Robert Pereira, Balti Baltasar, Encho Serrano, and Romwell Ucheco. Team manager Mr. June Tintango. Assistant team manager Sec Glenn Danting, and team owner Mayor June Tintango. Your Apalit, I love it. Game officials charged in action, Rommel Austria, Jason Martinez, and Adrian Andres. This is your Zina Gigasa Junior World Showcase.
The team starters for Clifton Tigers, Julian Espano, Nathan Mesa, Lance Aurigue, AJ Salvador, and Ronald Caiciro. And for the side of the Apalit, I love it. Justin Garcia, More Prince Alao, Drew Jimenez, George Diamante, and John Marin Eligado. Penelope Wilhelmina alongside with Boss Ray Alao and Jasmine. And of course, Althea on the sidelines for the battle between the Clifton Tigers and the Apalit. I love it.
Siyempre, huwag silang bibitaw sa game na to ngayon kasi siyempre, itong Clifton Tigers, hindi basta-basta to Dahil alam ko talagang grabe ang training nito sa US.
Alam mo, Boss Ray, kanina nakausap ko yung head coach ng Clifton Tigers, si Coach Joseph Salvador. And he mentioned to me earlier na nakapaghanda sila kasi ito first game na itong Clifton, di ba? Pero itong Apalit, nakapaglaro sila kahapon. So, na-scout nila yung Apalit. Sabi dito ni Coach Joseph Salvador that Apalit, I love it, is really a tough team. Kasi yung mga big man nila and even their guards is really good on offense.
Yun ang maganda kasi, alam mo yun, bukod sa nakapag-scout na sila, yung Apalit naman, siyempre nakapaglaro ng kahapon yan. Medyo, yung gigil nila, makakapag-adjust na rin naman sila ngayon.
But knowing the rhythm of Apalit, Boss Ray, our last Delta Cup, may some additions lang dito. Of course, the standout players of Pampanga. And of course, your son playing more Prince Alao. They really had that time na makapag-practice kahit sandali.
Totoo, may Diamante ka, tapos may Garcia ka, diba? May UC ka pa, may mga kalibre niyan, hindi biro Grabe yung mga batang to.
Garcia, as a foul is called.
Siyempre, nabanggit natin yung mga di-calibre player. Hindi pa patalo din yung mga coach sa kabila, Diba? Nandiyan sila Justin Baltasar, diba? Nandiyan si Enchong Serrano, diba? Grabe.
Justin Baltasar is the first overall pick for the recent 49th PBA draft.
Nakakatuwa, di ba? Biro mo, ikaw ba naman i-handle ka ng mga ganyang coach, sino hindi ka ganahan, di ba?
Exactly. Di ba? Kung may idol man ng mga Kapampangan mula Apalit, of course, lalayo pa ba sila Enzo and Balti na because they are from Apalit.
Totoo. Saka yung mga yan sobrang, alam mo yun, pinaglalaban nila yung lugar nila. Ito naman sa kabila, may inspired sila kasi yung mga coach sa kabila, napapanood nila rin kung paano maglaro sa pro yung mga yan.
And itong mga delegates natin, itong other teams natin coming from all over the world, may mga lahing Pilipino rin naman, Boss Ray, no? Kaya hindi din talaga imposible na they didn't know Justin, they didn't know Encho, and other standout players and coaches na meron tayo dito sa Pilipinas.
Totoo. Kaya ang maganda dyan, dahil nakita nila personal ngayon, na nagkukol sa kabilang team, siyempre, magpapakitang gilas ng mga Clifton Tigers para makita sila nila Encho ng live at ni Justin Baltasar.
Mesa was able to put a basket for Clifton Tigers, New Jersey. We're now tied at 2. 6 minutes and 3 seconds remaining. Jimenez. There was a steal. Last touch by Prince. Sideline inbound for Espano. Coach Joseph Salvador of the Clifton Tigers, New Jersey on your screens. Inbound for Julian Espano. Back to Caiciro. Tebol Garcia to George Diamante. May spin move pa si George.
Ganado si Diamante. Siyempre, nandiyan yung idol niya, Justin Baltasar, di ba? Yung ikot na yun, galing kay Justin Baltasar.
So, ganun yung mga ni Balti sa Lanterns. As our lakas move of the quarter brought to you by Cable Link and Holdings Group.
Siyempre, basta ganyan mga laro ng Apalit, alam naman natin na yung mayor mismo ng Apalit is very excited.
Of
na
course, we would like to acknowledge Mayor June Tatangco, the mayor of Apalit, Pampanga, and Vice Mayor Peter Nucom. I think may prior commitment lang si Mayor June kaya wala siya dito right now. But Vice Mayor Peter Nucom is right here with us.
Ganun din siyempre, mahal na lang governor na si Governor Dennis Del Tapaneda.
Of course, Boss Ray, all of this is not possible without the help and support of the beloved Governor Dennis Del Tapaneda. His support not only to the Kapampangan basketball, but look at us, boss. We are showcasing the talents of the world and grabe pa rin yung suporta na binibigay ni Gov Delta sa atin. Going back here, Jimenez back to Prince. Almost just a miss for Prince Alao, but a steal from Tebol. Justin is clearly using his experience in basketball against this Clifton Tigers New Jersey, Boss Ray.
Siyempre, naabangan na sa inyo yan, yung batang yan, si Garcia, di ba?
He used to play for the Adamson Baby Falcons as our lakas assist of the quarter, brought to you by the SM South Mall, care of Caicedo. Shot missed by Apalit.
Clifton Tigers, no? Ang ganda tingnan kasi yung mga batang to. Siyempre, may gusto rin patunayan na hindi na sila pang US.
And of course, boss, if their family wasn't able to go here, malamang sa malamang nakatutok yan sa live natin.
Yes, happy viewing po sa inyong lahat, mga fans ng Clifton Tigers.
Way back to New Jersey as end one for Eligado.
Grabe naman yung pasang yun. Ayan na, tingnan natin yung slow-mo.
So take a look at that lakas drive of the quarter, brought to you by City of Food Spear, the food that brings you home.
Alam mo, nakakatawa yung director natin kasi Boss Eric Quintana na nagkwentuhan kami kagabi. Talagang lahat daw na nagpunta dito. December pa lang. Parang kumuha na sila ng ticket.
Oo, kasi mahal. Kasi medyo mahal na pag malapit-lapit.
Para hindi na magmahal. Natatawa ako. Sabi ko, galing ah.
But look at the support they've given itong mga players, yung family nila, yung trust na binigay nila, not only dun sa mga coaches, pero boss, to you of course, and to the whole management of Sinag Liga Asia, na pinagkatiwala nila na maglaro dito sa Pilipinas at dito sa Pampanga yung mga anak nila.
Siyempre, very thankful tayo sa mga taong tumulong, lalo-lalo sa mga parents na iba-ibang bansa na nagpunta dito. Ganun din siyempre sa mga coaches at players. Diba? Talagang na-appreciate natin sila.
9-8. Just a 1-point lead for Apalit. I love it. That's George Diamante now with the basketball. No look pass is no good.
Trouble, sabi ni Rep.
Mas nauna kasi yung galaw niya, boss eh.
Totoo yun.
3 minutes and 29 seconds. Once again, Coach Joseph Salvador, the head coach of the Clifton Tigers New Jersey, on your screens. Sideline inbound for Apalit. I love it. But now let's turn it over to our courtside reporter, Kim Advincula, for her report on Apalit. I love it, head coach Jay Shera.
Ayon kay Coach Jay Sierra ng Apalit I Love It, para may panalo ang laro ngayon, kailangan nila i-sustain ang kanilang communication, especially in offense and defense. Dahil hindi sila dapat maging kumpiyansa at dapat ibigay ang 110% tuwing laro. Dagdag niya pa, kailangan ma-absorb na ng player ang sistema ng team para makuha ang laro ngayon. Now, back to you, Pen and Boss Ray.
Thank you so much, Kim. Ang lambing naman ng boses ni Kim. But bigay doon sa report ni Kim on head coach Jay Shera of the Apalit I Love It. Boss Ray, you know, one thing about Apalit I Love It, they are a very strong team. Offensive players, defensive players, they are full pack here in Apalit I Love It. But they need consistency and communication kasi yun yung naging problema nila kahapon eh.
Alam mo, galing mo doon kasi kahapon nga, di ba, siyempre nanood tayo. Yun din na nakita namin nila Commissioner Rodi Santos sa kanila Coach Leo Isaac. Hindi pwede kasi, alam mo yun, na yung kumpiyansa mo masobrahan doon sa target ng kabilang team eh. Kasi na-over, at tingin ko lang na-over yun kasi nga, alam naman natin na yung mga batang to mga sikat, di ba? So, bago sa paningin nila, ang akala nila, basta-basta lang yung mga taga-California. So, nakakatawa doon, pinakita ng mga taga-California na, hindi, eto laro sa amin, ito yung papakita namin.
You know, actually, that's one of the problems of a lot of players, young players dito sa atin sa Pilipinas na when they suddenly have a name, medyo they get over themselves, no? Na parang they really forget to go back to the basics. But heads up to the whole coaching staff of Apalit, I love it. They were able to contain their emotions and everything that comes in between, and they were able to win yesterday.
Totoo yun. Kasi actually, nagulat sila sa physicality ng kalaban nila, di ba?
Medyo lamang kasi sila doon, Boss Ray,
Diba?
taas na habol, di ba?
Kaya yun, alam mo, both teams naman na nagkaroon ng mga experience na nangyari sa kanila ng game na yun.
Masibak against Espano. Espano. Back to Kyle Perez. Masibak with a steal. Back to UC. And UC puts it up and in and an end one play.
Kasi yung sinasabi mo ngayon, lakas California na yun, kahit ako mismo Pena, nagulat din ako. Hindi ko expect na, alam mo yun, bibiglain nila itong Apalit I Love It.
Our lakas play of the quarter brought to you by J Project Clothing Shop, the makers of quality uniform. By Elijah UC.
Ito gusto ko rin ng batang to, yung UC. Kasi relax siya, tapos ano ba yung ganda ng kamay niya?
He used to play for the Nazareth School of National University, but now, Boss Ray, he's transferring to a UAAP school, which is the Arellano Chiefs.
Wow! Doon niya na lalabas yung laro niya.
At naglaro din yan sa atin sa Junior World Showcase Philippines under Pampanga Pradera. But suddenly, their team has a lot of injuries because a lot of standout players is in there. So, good thing that they were able to fit in, and Kapampangan sila. They really have the pride to play for a Kapampangan team.
Totoo yun. Pag pinatawag ka ni Mayor or ni Gob, talagang kailangan mong maglaro. Siyempre, bukod sa from bata ka pa, nung hinawakan ka nila, tapos ngayon na talagang naasa ka na, ikaw na mismo sa sarili mo eh. Pagka minessage ka, automatic ikaw na mismo lilipad ka agad pumunta doon eh, dahil gusto mo ipakita yung laro.
It's really pride, no, Boss
Yun,
Ray?
yung pagmamahal mo
Kasi
sa lugar
parang
mo.
yung tiwalang binigay sa'yo na ikaw pa mismo yung tatawagan ng in charge of the city.
Ang sarap ng feeling nun, ha? Di ba? Nakaka-proud yun.
Ikaw, Boss Ray, tatanungin kita. Siyempre, si Moore has played for LaSalle before. Nung nag-stand out siya sa Gilas, Pilipinas, Batang Gilas, ano yung feeling mo nun na he's getting in for LaSalle?
Siyempre, yun lang, very, alam mo yun, happy kami kasi 18 years old lang siya noong time na yun. Tapos, may offer sa kanya yung LaSalle na maganda. So, kami naman, pinag-aralan namin kung ibabalik namin siya. Kasi 18 pa lang, may 2 years pa siya sa high school eh, para maglaro sa Red Caps. Kaso, siyempre, yung parang nakita naman namin na kaya niyang maglaro sa collegiate. So, napag-usapan namin, nag-meeting kami na, sige, akit ka na sa college kahit 18 ka pa lang. Maganda naman nung pinakita niya ng time ni coach sa Derek Pumaren. Kaso nagkaroon siya ng injured. Ngayon, awa naman ng Diyos, okay na yung mga injured niya. So, I think 100% mapakita niya na yung talagang laro niya kung sino siya.
Playing for J Project Clothing Boomers and J Project Clothing Saints has really nakita na ulit ng mga fans natin ang dating Prince Alaw after recovering from his injuries. It's going back here with 13-10, still in favor of the Apalit. I love it. Masibak against Espano. Back to Bautista, now it's against UC. Back to Chavez. Kyle Perez rather, stand corrected.
Galing naman ng step na yun, Chavez.
It's kind of Euro step na hindi eh.
Tama, nagdala siya another half step siya para lang makakuha siya ng 2 points.
Masibak with the basketball. Yuri back to UC. UC with the jumper. No go. Kyle Perez on the rebound. Kyle against Masibak and there's a steal. Yuri Masibak was one of the standouts for Apalit. I love it. Last Delta Cup natin. The last Intertown.
Totoo yun. Sa sipag niya, talagang mapapakita niya na, oy coach, kailangan mo ako.
And this time, it's his chance to show the world what he got.
Totoo.
And Boss Ray, not to mention na he's a Kapampangan. A lot of teams or schools in Manila or all over the Philippines is scouting right now dito sa live natin.
Yes, kaya nga, lagi nga namin pinag-uusapan nila Commissioner Rodney. Ang swerte ng mga bata ngayon kasi biro mo, naka-live sila, di ba? Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, plus yung mga taga-Asia, plus yung mga taga-ibang bansa. Napapanood sila eh. Biro mo, yung pamilya mo, kunyari lang, nasa Canada or nasa US, napapanood ka. Alam mo yun, parang hindi ka nila masyadong mamimiss kasi manonood lang sila ng TV, nakikita ka na nila, di ba? Nag-enjoy na sila sa game.
Dati kasi, ang layo, no, Boss Ray, tas wala naman masyadong live.
Totoo, di ba? Dati nga, sulat pa eh. Di ba? Hintayin pa dumating yung sulat sa'yo, di ba?
Hindi na naabutan.
Di ba? Hindi ka gaya ngayon, di ba? May message ka na lang. Where na you? Dito na me.
As we take a look at our first quarter highlights, the Zords Diamante signature AC layup. But look at that, Kylo Perez going strong. It's Ronald Caicedo rather. And that lakas drive of the quarter by Elijah UC. And an N1 play, that beautiful move coming from the Cerroliano Chief at the end of the first quarter. 13-12 in favor of Apalit. I love it. Stay tuned. We will be right back.
J Project Clothing Shop, premium fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, premium fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
Considering that Clifton Tigers lineup is complete and every player is in good condition, they said that their confidence is 12/10, which is very admirable. And I even asked their head coach, Joseph Salvador, and he said that his confidence is indeed... Oh my God.
Thank you so much, Althea. Grabe, Boss Ray, no, ang lambing ng boses dito ng mga courtside reporters natin. But going on that report, these two teams really just tie match up, Boss Ray. Looking at the score at the end of our first, it's just 13-12, just a 1-point lead. And for the Clifton Tigers New Jersey, they have the advantage because they were able to scout Apalit. I love it yesterday.
Yan nga, gaya nga nung sinabi mo, ang swerte ng Clifton Tigers kasi na-scout nila itong mga bata na to, di ba? Tapos yung Apalit naman, siyempre, hindi nila nakita pa naglaro to eh, di ba? First time nilang makakabangga to. Kaya talagang mind games to eh, lalo na ganyan katalino yung mga coaches, both teams.
As we come to you live inside the beautiful Brenzy Giao Convention Center. Our day 2 of our SLA Junior World Showcase. And we have other games on other 2 venues. In Davsu and in Bacolor Mini Convention Center. Boss Ray.
Wow!
As the beautiful move. Boss Ray, I'm just going to ask you. A lot of people is watching all over us. And this is my opportunity and their opportunity to listen. How did you come up to this Junior World Showcase, this SLA Junior World Showcase? In 5 days, 4 divisions, a lot of teams.
Siyempre sa una, medyo kinabahan tayo. Pero nung palapit na, siyempre nandiyan na yung mga rescue natin, mga director natin, di ba? Mga additional na cameraman, di ba? Mga production. Tapos yung mga katulad ng mga binigay mong talent dito na mga kaibigan mo. So, nawala yung kaba.
Kumbaga, boss, it's really a team effort.
Yes, kasi hindi naman kaya ng ilan lang tao to. Imagine, 3 Coliseum ang linalaroan ng mga players sa Junior World Showcase natin. Diba?
Kumbaga sa basketball, hindi ka naman mananalo ng isa ka lang na gumagawa. Dapat as a team kayo.
Yun, kaya nga nang ginawa ni LeBron James, di ba? Naganap siya natutulong sa kanya, di ba? Kasi kahit sino naman player, di ba, kailangan teamwork. Hindi pwedeng individual lang. Mahihirapan talaga.
As Encho Serrano on your screens, a standout player for the Pampanga Giant Lanterns, and really the pride of Apalit Pampanga. As 14-13, change of favor right now, Boss Ray. Lamang na dito but now it's tied.
Ang swerte ng mga Bata, biro mo, nagkukot sa'yo. Enchong Sirano. Nandiyan pa yung Justin Baltasar.
Yellow Mesa. Diamante with a steal. Diamante running against 3. Pass to Francis de la Cruz. But a traveling violation.
Sabi ni Enchong, wala travel yun. Move ko yun eh.
Actually, Francis de la Cruz reminds me of Encho Serrano when I was watching him for Pampanga Giant Lanterns. Justin Baltasar, the #1 picked by the Converge Fiber Extras, which is our proud sponsor here at Sinag Liga Asia.
Thank you po sa Converge, siyempre. Ganun din siyempre sa mga ibang sponsor natin, yung J Project, di ba? Boss June, yung CDO, siyempre, di ba? Yung Cable Link, di ba? Siyempre, yung Exile natin, di ba? Yung Royce Hotel and Casino. Maraming po salamat.
Sa Royce ka, di ba, Boss Ray? Ang sarap ng breakfast, di ba?
Sobra. Thank you po, Governor Delta Pineda. Ganda naman. Nakita mo ba yung hang time na yun?
Pwede pa maglakad.
Yes.
Justin Garcia. Back to Jimenez.
Pinakitaan ng Clifton Tigers yung
Eligado rather.
palit.
Three-pointer for Francis de la Cruz. Boss Ray, we covered Francis de la Cruz for Level Up Lubao.
Actually, yan talagang laro niya. Talagang kailangan niya lang bumitaw, kailangan niya lang pakita yung kumpiyansa niya. Minsan kasi yung batang ito napapansin ko, yung dahil star-studded yung mga teammates niya, medyo hindi na niya pinapakita yung talent niya. Dahil, ay okay, loaded naman kami. Minsan ganun may mga ganun player.
But for a young guy, just 19 years old, he just turned 19 as we take a look at our lakas moment of the quarter brought to you by the Converge Fiber Xers. Doble na, dinoble pa.
Grabe naman yung move na yun.
Yun yung sinasabi mo, Boss Ray?
Yes. Ibang klase. Parang nakita ko si Berhel Meneses na bumata.
Justin Garcia with the basketball. Back to George Diamante. Diamante with his signature move. No go, but a putback.
Pasa daw yun, sabi ni George.
Pinadaan lang niya.
No.
Kyle Perez.
Wow!
Dalawa yun.
Grabe naman yun. Laban na laban tong Clifton Tigers talaga.
You know, Boss Ray, kanina I was able to talk with with head coach Joseph Salvador of the Clifton Tigers, New Jersey. Alam mo, they really wanted to take pride. Na they really know how good is the basketball in Kapampangan, and knowing that Apalit I Love It is a Kapampangan team, they really prepare his guys for this ball game.
Kailangan nila yun kasi siyempre pinaglalaban nila bukod sa yung lugar nila. Alam mo yun, mapakita rin nila sa buong mundo yung talent nila.
23-18 in favor of the Apalit I Love It with 4 minutes and 20 seconds remaining. Again, for those people watching all over the world and all over the Philippines, our tournament format for our elimination round is composed of just 8 minutes from first to third quarter. But on the fourth quarter, it's 10 minutes. Pero pagpasok natin ng playoffs at ng semifinals and finals, we're back to the 10 minutes per quarter.
Yes, kung talaga mag-a-adjust ka biro mo, nasanay ka sa, I think, 10 or 12, di ba? Tapos biglang 8 minutes ang lalaro yung mga player.
Sa dami kasi ng teams natin, Boss Ray.
Diba?
Mahihirapan tayo if
Totoo,
10 minutes. It'll
diba?
take us a lot of time. But luckily, we have a good batch of referees in here from the Samahang Basketball ng Pilipinas.
Baka 2 AM na tayo matapos din.
Mamaya nga. Boss Ray, may 3 games pa tayo.
Wow.
Head coach Joseph Salvador of the Clifton Tigers, New Jersey on your screen. As 4 minutes and 2 seconds remaining on our second. 23-18. Apalit I Love It still up. Apalit I Love It roster: Mutok, Tairit, Randy Simbulan, Masibak, Guillermo Campo, Vergara, Cruz, Lugto, Peralta, Macaldo, Dural, Alao, Diamante, Jimenez, Legado, Del Pozo, Novillo, Gilas, Reyes, Yusi, Asido, Garcia, and De La Cruz. A lot of star-studded players for Apalit I Love It that yung mga homegrown players nila. As we can see on our screens, one of the coaches for Pampanga Delta, Coach Camila Aisel Santos, the very beauty, and another coach coming from the 17 under of Pampanga Delta.
Nakakatuwa no? Talagang very supportive lahat ng mga coaches ni Governor Delta Pineda kahit anong team yung naglalaro.
Ganun sila kasi kadesidido when it comes to basketball, which makes the Pampanga now the basketball capital of the Philippines, sabi nga ni Coach Pancho. Dati kasi Boss Ray, di ba, when it comes to basketball, Cebu mga Cebuano. But now kaya nang tapatan ng Kapampangan ng mga Cebuano.
Totoo kasi masyado nang mataas yung pinapakitang talent ng mga Pampanga.
Prince with the no hesitation 3. The ball back to Jamante. Jamante. Still no goal for Apalit. I love it. There's a foul against Prince. Nagulat siya. 3 minutes and 22 seconds.
Kailangan talaga kasi yung mga batang to, talagang alam mo yung takbuhan nila, iba di ba? Kasi yung practice nila, I think sa Clifton Tigers, sa US sila, talagang ina-adapt nila yung ginagawa ng mga, ano mo yung foreign player doon na nakikita na sa NBA, di ba? Kaya, parang hindi sila napapagod
Everywhere naman talaga, boss. Talagang yung mga NBA idols na yung ginagaya nila Pero since nga dahil mga bata pa itong mga to, tatakbo, hindi mapapagod. And some of the players for Clifton Tigers New Jersey, they're holding pride against themselves way back to New Jersey kasi may mga nilalaroan silang school. And of course, a lot of people support them on our live coverage. And of course, this team, Apalit, I love it, has a star-studded players, which, alam mo naman dito sa Pilipinas, Boss Ray, when it comes to basketball, you always take pride of your name.
Totoo. Siyempre, sino ba naman ang gustong matalo, di ba? So, lahat yan, nag-ready. Grabe, alam mo yung training ng mga yan. I think 2 hours, 3 hours, di ba? Kaya, walang dahilan para matalo ka So, ganoon din siyempre yung mga taga-ibang bansa like Clifton Tigers na hindi papayag na basta na lang sila matalo, di ba? Talagang from training hanggang game, 100% dito sila.
Going back, Justin Garcia. Back to Migs Lugto. Boss Ray, Migs Lugto, a player for Apalit, I love it, wearing jersey number 17. Alam mo ilang taon lang yan?
Ilan taon na yan?
15.
Wow!
I was there when they held their barangay in Apalit, and grabe yung standout ng batang yan. He can shoot from the paint, he can shoot outside the paint.
Grabe. Mira mo, 15 years old, binigyan nila ng chance, di ba? Like Coach Ensong Serrano. Di ba? Siyempre nakita niya nung bata siya, binigyan din siya ng chance. Binabalik niya lang sa ibang player.
Alam mo, sabi nga ni Enzo, way back nung na-interview ko siya, sabi niya, Boss Ray, sobrang swerte ng lahat ng kabataan ngayon. Kasi may mga ganitong klase ng liga. Kasi nung panahon daw niya, walang live daw talaga, tsaka pahirapan mag-try out.
Totoo.
As time out on the floor, Apalit, I love it, still up 27-19.
Sobrang bilis ba? Iyan ang bilis ng FiberX. Iyan ang internet.
Going back inside the beautiful Berenziga Convention Center, of course, Sinagliga Ashay is sponsored by CDO Food Spears, the food that brings you home. Alam mo, Boss Ray, pag nakikita ko yung mga advertisement ng CDO, nagugutom ako As now, let's turn it over to our courtside reporter, Kim Advincula, for her report on Janmar Aligado of Apalit, I Love It.
Para kay Janmar Aligado, being best player on their last game ay hindi nakakadagdag ng kaba at pressure. Ayon pa sa kanya, basta maging matigas sa depensa at sumunod sa utos ng coach ay kayang-kaya nila itong mapanalo. Let's see if he can still continue to be the best player of the game. Now back to you, Pen and Boss Ray.
Thank you so much, Kim, for that report on Janmar Aligado. Ang ganda ng mindset ng batang to, no, Boss Ray, na even siya yung nag-best player, kailangan pa rin niyang sumunod on the defensive and offensive system of his coaching staff.
Siyempre, takot mo lang hindi sumunod. Edchong Sirano yan, saka Justin Baltasar, di ba?
Alam mo,
Samahan pa na Coach Sierra, di ba?
Alam mo, ang maganda rin naman talaga sa mga bata here in Pampanga and a lot of players is may takot pa rin naman talaga sila sa mga head coaches nila kahit gaano pa kaangas yung mga yan outside the court. At Prince now with the basketball. Great help coming from his teammate. Look to, nice pass. That's what I have been talking about with that mix. Look to. The pass he made for Ralph Mercado. Jumper. No go for Julian Espano. Tebol. Tebol puts it up and in. No wonder he was recruited by the National University.
Totoo.
Prince. Nice no-look pass. But that ball is rejected by Kyle Perez this time.
Natawa siya. Hindi niya kalahin tatalon eh.
Akala niya hindi na siya babantayan eh.
Oo, pero binibaw niya napakatalino ng bata na.
As time around the floor, Apalit still up by 11, 31-20.
Clothing shop, premium fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, premium fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
Our COO, Commissioner, and the PBA legend, Leo Isaac, on your screens right now, one of the very, very PBA legend.
Totoo, alam mo ba, every time na may meeting kami, grabe naiiyapen yung mga ka-meeting namin na siyempre mga big time, naiiyak magsabi. Magsasabi lang sila after na ng meeting na, pwede ba kami magpa-picture kay Coach Leo Isaac?
Na ganun yung naging tatak ni Coach Leo in the Philippine basketball. And di ba nag-coach rin siya for PBA for Air
Yes.
21? Kasi yung mga naglalaro sa atin sa Lakas Wallet, sila Coach Egay, tuwan-tuwa nga daw sila kasi nakakalaban nila yung mga dati nilang ka-team. Tapos Coach Leo pa yung nasa gilid lang nila.
Alam mo naman basta Coach Leo, di ba? Ginebra yan eh. Kaya pag sinabing Ginebra, ibang dating, di ba? Talaga yung puso nila para manalo nandun.
Migs Lugto with the three-pointer. That's what I'm talking about, Boss Ray, on how that guy can score in and out the paint.
Tapos samahan pa ng coach niya dati, si Robert Jaworski, di ba? Wow.
Our lakas stress of the quarter brought to you by Sunsport, the official basketball of Sinagiga Asia. I stand corrected by the three-pointer is coming from Jeremy Bukat. Magkamukha kasi, Boss Ray, tingnan mo. Si Bukat tsaka yun, si Lugto. Para magkapatid. Kinapos lang dito ang Apalit. 44 seconds remaining. There's a steal. Jimenez! Eligado rather. Chavez on your screens right now. 34-20. 14-point lead for Apalit. I love it. But Boss Ray, as we mentioned earlier, hindi pwedeng magpakampante ang Apalit because on what happened to them last night.
Correct. Kahit sino naman coach, especially sila Coach Enchong Serrano, saka sila Coach Sierra. Hindi yan basta-basta, alam mo yan, papayag ng gano'n na medyo may kabaka. Kasi, biro mo, yan ang mga player mo, biglang hindi natin masabing matalo or masisilat ka eh, di ba? Kaya, dapat talaga compose. Nandun pa rin yung focus ng mga player nila. Kasi pag iba, pag sobrang lakas ng lineup mo, alam mo yun, medyo
May kumpiyansa ka na.
may petics, di ba? So, kailangan hindi ganun. Every time na nasa floor ka, bigay mo yung 100% mo.
No overconfidence kasi minsan, Boss Ray, given their lineup eh.
Totoo yun.
Bukat, the three-pointer, no go. Balik ang bola kay Lugto.
Alam mo, natutuwa ako sa lugto na to. May kumpiyansa siyang maglaro. Talagang kahit nakasabay niya sila Garcia, sila Alaw, di ba? Sila UC.
Traveling.
Alam na alam ng mga coaches ng Apalit yun. Natawa na lang sila. Di ba?
5 seconds remaining. What will the Clifton Tigers New Jersey will do? Espano with a quick three-pointer, no go. And that will end our first half of this ball game. 35-20, a 15-point lead for Apalit. I love it. As we take a look at our second quarter highlights and pass of Elegado. Back to Ashton Novillo. And the three-pointer is good for Francis De La Cruz. And look at that beautiful move coming from the side of the Clifton Tigers, New Jersey, care of Nielo Mesa. What a beautiful move right there. And look at that. Janmar Elegado being dominant as he started the league so much bigger this time. Apalit, I love it, still up 35-20 at the end of the first half. Magbabalik po ang Sinag Liga Asia Junior World Showcase.
Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
Mga kasinag, panoorin ang salpukan sa mundo ng basketball. Watch the world play sa SLA Junior World Showcase sa July 17-21 sa Pampanga, Philippines. See you!
Oh! Yan na naman siya! Kalma lang tayo! Lamang tayo ng isa! There's a foul away from the play. Sandwich between two.
Sobrang bilis ba? Yan ang bilis ng FiberX. Yan ang internet.
J Project Clothing Shop has been a sublimation company for a long time. We have evolved by proving quality and top-notch products for our customers. The design jerseys are carefully examined and printed in a quality machine that produces a fast printing, the biggest machine in the printing industry. In the sewing section, all the sewing experts use quality thread, needles and machine to make the product good-looking and durable. We customize clothing and sportswear in full sublimation. What are you waiting? Visit us now.
Sobrang bilis ba? Yan ang bilis ng FiberX. Yan ang internet.
Going back to the second half of this ballgame, Apalit, I love it, 35-20. A 15-point lead para dito sa Apalit, I love it. Penelope Wilhelmina still alongside with Boss Ray Alaw. No, boss, tingnan natin dito, itong points from turnover, kasi itong Apalit, I love it, looking at our stat sheets right now, they got 13, and itong Clifton Tigers, New Jersey, dalawa lang yung na-commit nila from that turnovers.
Kasi ang ganda na pinapakitang depensa nung ng Clifton nung first quarter natin. Nung second quarter naman, nagbago yung offense na ginagawa nung Apalit, I love it. Kaya kung makikita mo, binakbakan na ng Apalit nung second quarter. So, I think itong halftime natin, makaka-recover tong Clifton Tigers.
And yung second chance points that they have been getting here is 14 for Apalit and 5 para dito sa Clifton Tigers. And grabe talaga, iba yung pinapakita ngayon ng Apalit. I love it. And sana magtuloy-tuloy as we take a look on our halftime highlights coming from George Diamante. Grabe talaga itong si George Diamante, no, Boss Ray. we know this guy for playing for Colegio de San Juan de Letran for the juniors. And a lot of players has been, and look at that, your favorite move. Brought to you by Nielo Mesa. Pwedeng-pwede ka pang maglakad sa ginawa niya. As that pass coming from Yuri Masibak to Justin Garcia. And look at that one. Zanmar Eligado being so dominant after he really started this tournament with a big bang. And look at that. Jeremy Bukat, that three-pointer. Our halftime statistics, as we talked about earlier, the field goal is much more for Apalit, 40%, while 32. Rebounding, mas lamang pa rin ang Apalit. And on assist, it's 9-3. And on bench points, 13-10, no, Boss Ray.
Talagang makikita mo, nakuha na nung Apalit yung spring team nila eh. Diba? Ito namang Lipton Tigers, syempre, excited tong mga bata to kasi I think first game na to, diba? So, third quarter, tingnan natin kung anong papakita ng Lipton Tigers.
Dahil na first game nila, of course, our leading scorers of the halftime for Clifton Tigers, Kyle Perez with 8, Ronald Caicedo with 4, Nathan Mesa with 4, William Lianza with 2, Eligado on the Apalit I Love It has 9, Jamanto with 8, Garcia with 4, and De La Cruz with 3. Now let's turn it over to our courtside reporter, Kim Advincula, but because she has someone special beside her right now. Kim, who do you have here?
You're still watching SLA Junior World Showcase. Now, before we move on to our second half, I am beside Pampanga's very own Justin Baltasar of Apalit I Love It. Now, first of all po, thank you po sa pagsama sa akin sa interview. Now, my question is, kilala na po kayong veteran basketball and part na din po kayo ng coaching staff. Ano po yung masasabi nyo sa nilalaro ng team nyo po ngayon?
Ayun, maganda naman yung pinapakita ng team ng Apalit ngayon. And then, nag-i-enjoy sila ngayon. Yun lang sinabi ko na, mag-enjoy sila. And then, nakita nyo naman yung score. And then, sabi ko, hindi pa tapos yan. So, kailangan nilang bumawi ng itong second half. Kasi lahat ng players ngayon ng Apalit, nagagamit namin. So, yun lang. Continue lang na gawin nila, mas itaas pa nila yung kumpiyansa nila.
May gusto po ba kayong pasalamatan sa mga nanonood?
Unang-una, nagpapasalamat ako sa mga sumuporta dito na taga-Apalit pa, and then yung mga Kapampangan sa lahat ng nanonood. Yun lang.
Once again, our very own Justin Baltasar of Apalit I Love It. Now back to you, Pen and Boss Ray.
Thank you so much, Kim. And of course, thank you so much, Justin Baltasar, a standout player in the Philippine basketball right now. Magbabalik po ang Sinagliga Asia Junior World Showcase.
Project Clothing Shop, premium fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, premium fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
Sobrang bilis ba? Yan ang bilis ng FiberX. Yan ang internet.
Sa unang subo hanggang huli, parang kisa aking pisngi. Kain love, love talaga, kahit di sabihin. Feel na love kami. Kain love, love talaga.
J Project Clothing Shop, premium fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, premium fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
Going back inside the beautiful Brandy Giao Convention Center, of course, Sinagliga Asia is sponsored by Cable Link and Holdings Corporation. George Diamante on your screens. More Prince Alao. And Caicedo. Casino rather. Richmond Casino.
Grabe alam mo ba, Pen, nanonood ngayon. Siyempre, I'm very supportive natin. Na siyempre, isa sa mga marketing director din. Na walang iba kundi si Boss Eric Damian. Di ba?
Alam mo ba, Boss Ray? Tumawag sa akin yun kagabi.
Talaga?
Sabi niya, ba't nakita kita sa opening? Sabi ko, bawal ba? But happy watching, Boss Eric.
Wow! Nakita mo ba yung play na yun?
Ito
Easy
na,
basket.
nagsisimula na tayo dito sa ating second half. Boss Ray, one thing for Apalit, I love it, is they should really keep their consistency.
Siyempre, nabati natin si Boss Eric Damian. Nabatiin din natin walang iba kundi si General Ronald D.
Happy watching to the Police Major General Ronald O. Lee.
Yes. Alam natin na very busy sila sa bawang La Union ngayon.
And of course, I'd like to greet his wife, Mrs. Bong Lee.
Yes. Diba? Kahit na sobrang busy ni General Lee, talagang, alam mo yun, talagang sinusubaybay niya pa rin ang sinaligasyon.
George Diamante. Almost a three-pointer. Alam mo, boss, nagugulat itong mga players ng Apalit na binablock sila neto mga players ng Clifton. Nakita mo yung reaction ni George. Ganun yung reaction ni Tebol kanina nung may nag-block coming behind.
Biro mo, hindi mo akalain, di ba, na talagang grabe yung depensa na itong Clifton na Tigers na to.
Oh.
Wow!
Nielo Mesa once again. Grabe yung hang time ni Mesa, but pag may hang time siya, panigurado basket count, Boss Ray.
May papakita talaga yung Mesa.
Prince against Mesa. Clearly an offensive foul. And that is the third personal foul for Prince. You should be careful. Kaka-start pa lang ng third quarter natin.
Kailangan talaga na very defensive player yung nasa harapan mo. So, kailangan mo talagang, alam mo yun, mag-switch ng dribble para mapunta naman sa kabila yung ball.
Mesa. Oh, nice pass. Libreng-libre, three-pointer. And it is good for Julian Espano. And it alarms the whole coaching staff of Apalit. I love it. As we take a look back at that beautiful dime. Papunta kay Julian Espano.
Yan yung sinasabi natin kanina, di ba? Magpapakita ng Clifton Tigers after halftime. Kaya, kailangan, ibalik ng Apalit yung defense nila.
It alarms this Apalit. I love it. Timeout on the floor, 35-27. Our tournament format for our preliminary rounds and our single round elimination, 10 teams divided into two groups of 5 teams. Top 2 teams advances to the semifinals, and the semifinals crossover. Semis winners will advance to the finals, A1 versus B2 and B1 versus A2. In our finals, it's also a knockout game. And to give again our viewers the very clear description na itong ating elimination is just the first 3 quarters is just composed of 8 minutes. But when on the 4th quarter, it's 10 minutes. Pero pagpasok natin ng playoffs and semis, balik tayo sa 10 minutes na normal time.
Bakbakan na talaga yun, Fen.
Grabe yun. Yun talaga, boss. Mahihirapan ng recovery for players kapag sunod-sunod yung laro nila. Because pag nanalo ka, on the other day, you just have to defend your win. As we... Ganda pala nung Eurostep ni Prince. Hindi lang pumasok.
Kailangan mo talaga basta as a player, kailangan marami kang move eh. Hindi pwedeng yun lang kasi pagka na-scout ka, madali ka nang may stop.
Kanina niya naman yun sa'yo o sa kuya niya?
Wala, parehas eh. Ang maganda dito sa coaches ng Clifton Tigers, alam mo yung relax lang sila. Tapos pinabayaan nila yung mga players nila after nila makrokit yung play na gusto nila. Dito naman sa Apalit, sa sobrang veterano na itong mga to, siyempre, alam mo yun, yung mata sa mata pa lang, parang alam na nila yung gagawin nila. Siyempre, Enchong Serrano yan, di ba? Saka si Balti Baltasar. Cool na cool yung coach nila na si Coach Sierra, di ba?
Kasi assistant coach mo, Justin and Encho, one of the... words is not enough to describe that two players coming from Pampanga.
Wala ka nang hahanapin pa eh, no?
36-27.
Alam mo, thankful tayo. Once nagdiga siya, biro mo, dalawang sikat na player, nagkakod sa palit.
And actually, Boss Ray, very, very thankful, especially the kids from Apalit, because Justin and Encho has an ongoing professional league right now, which they're carrying the name of the Pampanga Giant Lanterns. Luckily, alam ko naka-break lang sila kasi galing silang panalo eh.
Yun ang maganda eh. Alam mo yun, nabibigyan nila ng chance yung mga player na turuan na sa mga talent nila na binigay ni Lord, di ba? Kagaya ni Diamante, swerte niya, si Justin Baltasar. Hindi basta-basta may bibigay sa kanya mga move niyan.
The layup no go. Ball back to Prince. Prince to Diamante.
Grabe yung Diamante, no? Pag sumabay ka talaga sa kanya, dadaling ka sa taas eh.
Diamante is pure talent. Tapos Boss Ray, ang tangkad pa niya.
Totoo. Kaya nga, alam mo yun, wala ka nang hanapin sa bata na yun.
As we take a look at our Lakas Tres of the quarter, brought to you by Sun Sports, the official basketball of Sinag Liga Asia. Francis De La Cruz, the 19-year-old from Pampanga, and he carries the name of the Pampanga Delta way back on our Junior World Showcase Philippines.
Siyempre, shoutout natin mga taga New York. Boss Michael Hernane, mga taga New Jersey dyan. Siyempre, mga taga Houston, Boss Baby James, alam na. Siyempre, ang dami natin pinuntahan doon. Brooklyn, di ba? Sa Maryland, Washington DC. Wow, maraming po salamat sa pagsubaybay nyo sa Sinag Liga Asia.
Ilang araw kayo doon ulit ng Boss Ray?
12 days. Tapos na-invite na naman tayo sa November to December. Ha? Kaya ready mo na yung passport mo.
Ready na.
Paalam ka kay, Ate Aisel mo.
Kay Mama. 41-27. 4 minutes and 4 seconds.
Foul talaga yun eh. Kasi, alam mo yun, hindi yun ang sinasabi ni Justin eh. Parang sinasabi ni Justin, abangan mo lang. Mag-stay ka lang.
You do not turn your back on your offensive player that time. But now let's turn it over to our courtside reporter, Althea and Norpe, para sa report dito on head coach of the Clifton Tigers, New Jersey. Althea, go ahead.
Clifton Tigers head coach Joseph Salvador said that they are getting killed on the board, so they definitely need to move the ball more to keep up. He mentioned that the strength his team has are their trust, their knowledge of the game, and of course their willingness to listen and learn. But the real question is, will these strengths be enough for them to achieve victory? Let's find out. Back to you, Fen and Boss Ray.
Thank you so much, Althea. Boss Ray, on that report of Althea, kanina nakausap ko dito si Coach Joseph Salvador of the Clifton Tigers, New Jersey. Tinanong ko siya, Coach, how confident you are on your team going here and facing up against Apalit? I love it. Hardly 100%. Wow. And for a coach, really, it's really something for a head coach to say that 100%. Diba? Usually kasi Boss Ray, you're just saying 90 because, but he is really confident because these guys were playing for a very long time with each other.
Tama yun kasi kailangan bigyan mo ng confidence sa sarili mo, bukod sa sarili mo. Yung tiwala mo sa mga players mo dapat nandun. Kaya sa mga interview na ganyan, good yung answer ni coach. Kasi biro mo, siyempre, Clifton Tigers ang dala mo. Diba? Iba dapat yung kumpiyansa mo. Pupunta ka sa Pilipinas, hindi basta-basta yung, oy, Clifton Tigers, kaya natin yan. Siya iba. Paparamdam niya sa mga taga-Pinas or lalo-lalo sa Apalit na nagpunta kami dito para ipakita sa inyo kung ano yung meron din kami.
And actually, this, Boss, as I mentioned earlier, tayo lang yung ball game na to, no? Kung may offensive plays at defensive plays antong Apalit, I love it. Nakikipagsabayan itong Clifton Tigers, New Jersey. But the main problem is, hindi lang nila natiturn yung mga basket nila into a point. As another turnover, they're committing a lot of turnovers, Boss Ray.
Kasi ang ganda ng pinapakita ng depensa ng Apalit, I love it eh. Siyempre, lalong-lalo nanonood yung mga boses dito sa left side natin, di ba? Na relax. Dahil Gusto nila yung pinapakita ng mga bata nila.
And I know for sure that Mayor Jun Tatangco is watching us in our live. Good evening, Mayor. Happy watching.
Yun, siyempre, Mayor, alam ko, nag-enjoy ka ngayon sa game na to. Shoutout natin siyempre lahat ng mga taga-Apalit Pampanga.
Their support for the Kapampangan basketball is phenomenal. Alam mo, boss, may nasagap pa nga ako. Pag nakapasok ng semifinals ang Apalit I Love It, puno ang Burenji Giao Convention Center. May kasama pang mga drums.
Wow, thank you po, Mayor. Diba? Ready dapat tayo na naman yung tenga natin. Naalala po tayo dalawa na naman
Tayo dalawa ng championship nila ng last Delta Cup. Grabe, hindi na tayo magkarinigan.
Yeah, sobra. Grabe, nag-enjoy talaga ako sa laban ng Lubao, Pampanga sa Apalit. Grabe. Nakakatawa yung, alam mo yung dalawang mayor na pinakita nila yung pagiging sports sila. Diba? Ito yung pinakita ng Apalit, ito yung pinakita ng Lubao. After game, alam mo, handshake, then smile, tapos picture-picture. Wow. Congratulations sa inyong dalawa.
Madugo yung laban ng yun as Migs Lugto, the 15-year-old guy. Nung naglalaro nga yun, Boss Ray, na cover ko yan si Migs Lugto sa Apalit. Si Mayor Jun mismo yung nagsabi sa akin na 15 years old lang yan. At yan ang pinagmamalaki nila ngayon sa Apalit. Because they really believe na may bright future yung batang yan sa skills niya na pinapakita at his age. As we take our look, our supporters inside the Burenji Giao Convention Center, hindi lang mga Kapampangan ang mga nandito dahil, di ba Boss Ray, a lot of families of the players have come here in the Philippines.
Nakakatawa, biro mo, I think yung nasa Royce, dami. Tapos yung nasa mga ibang hotel pa, di ba?
Parang occupied yung Royce ng lahat ng delegates natin eh.
Nakakatawa kasi biro mo naman, yun din nila ng sinagdiga siya dito sa Pampanga for tourism. Kaya, very happy sila mayor, sila governor, di ba? Kasi talagang pinapakita natin na bukod sa nag-enjoy na yung mga taga Pampanga dahil sa mga player na to, talagang kasama yung tourism nila, siyempre. Kaya, thankful tayo sa lahat ng tumulong sa sinagdiga siya.
A lot of things ang pwedeng ipagmalaki ng Pampanga, Boss Ray. Here in San Fernando, they are called the Christmas capital of the Philippines because of the giant lanterns. And the whole province of Pampanga is known to be the culinary capital dahil sa masasarap nilang mga luto.
Totoo yun, di ba? Kaya nga, 2 araw pa nga lang tayo dito. Kamaingay. Kinakain ko lahat.
Hindi nga ako nagkakain.
Lagot ako na ito kay Marien.
As going back to the ball game, UC with the rebound. Back to Lugto. Migs back to UC. UC back to Tebol. Tebol to UC. Back to Lugto. Lugto with a 3-pointer and no hesitation. This time is no go. 55 seconds remaining.
Nanonood pala yung mga barangay 824, Canonico Paco, Manila. Siyempre kay Kapitana Isay Abor at sa mga taga-council niya at buong barangay ng Canonico. Wow, thank you po.
Nandun tayo sa TV ng barangay hall nila. Happy watching to all of the people who's watching from barangay 824 in Paco, Manila.
Grabe, thank you po.
Boss, pag ikaw kasi talaga yung partner ko dito, ang dami-dami talagang manonood. Ang dami mo kasing friends.
Yes,
which is, that's very happy in this basketball community, diba? Hindi ka lang natututo, but lumalawak yung connection mo amongst other people.
Totoo yun. Kasi kaya nga nagkaroon ng Sinagdiga Asia para sa mga platform natin ng mga LGU, mga private, lalo sa mga batang ito na natutulungan natin ma-showcase nila yung talent nila sa mga malalaking like UAAP, NCAA, di ba? Saka iba pang mga school na pwede nilang pasukan in the future, di ba?
Malay mo, Boss Ray, yung mga players natin dito sa Pilipinas, ma-recruit pala sa ibang bansa.
Di posible yun kasi may Blast TV tayo, may Top Sports tayo, tapos may Cable Link tayo, may TPN tayo, di ba? Bukod doon, may Fiber TV tayo na talagang pinagkatiwala sa atin.
And a lot of social media platforms, they have been seeing highlights, they have been seeing how these guys play, and knowing the power of social media nowadays, talagang hindi malabong makita ng buong mundo on how beautiful is the Philippine basketball.
Siyempre kami, thankful din kami sa mga katulad nyo, di ba? Especially ikaw, Pen, na from the start na nasa Quezon tayo, nakita namin yung talent mo, di ba? Ngayon, lalong na-improve dahil, alam mo yun, dahil gusto mo. Parang player yan.
Totoo naman ba? Sa lahat naman ng bagay, kailangan mo munang gustuhin for you to be able to love it. Kasi pag mahal mo siya, kahit madaming hindrance on the way, lalaban ka di ba?
Ganun yun kasi like ng mga player na to, dahil gusto nila yung ginagawa nila, ayan, nag-improve yung talent nila. Di ba? Napakita nila sa buong mundo na kaya nila. Para ikaw yun. Katulad ng mga kasama mo, ng mga courtside, ng mga panel, di ba? Dahil minahal nyo yung trabaho, alam mo yun, lalo kayo naging magaling parang sa mga player na to.
And of course, none of this is possible without the help of the very, very own Direk Nomar Santiago, the very most phenomenal director in the field of media and basketball.
Totoo yun. Kaya nga, legend yan eh. Papatayo ng statue yan eh. Sa Philippines. Di ba? Bilib lang ako dyan kasi bukod sa mabait, marami siyang natulungan at naturuan ha.
At the end of the third quarter, 43-33 as we take a look on our third quarter highlights. That George Diamante pass to Francis de la Cruz, which makes a three-pointer. Grabe, Francis de la Cruz in this mixed look to that no-look pass to Tebo Garcia, and his signature one-hand floater makes them 10-point lead advantage at the end of the third quarter. 43-33, tutok lamang po dahil papunta na po tayo sa ating fourth and final quarter of this ballgame.
Project Clothing Shop has been a sublimation company for a long time. We have evolved by proving quality and top-notch products for our customers. The design jerseys are carefully examined and printed in a quality machine that produces a fast printing, the biggest machine in the printing industry. In the sewing section, all the sewing experts use quality thread, needles and machine to make the product good-looking and durable. We customize clothing and sportswear in full sublimation. What are you waiting? Visit us now.
Pwede niyo pong matutukan itong Sinag Liga Asia on our Instagram and Facebook at Sinag Liga Asia to be updated on our team standings, game schedules para dito sa ating 5 days Sinag Liga Asia Junior World Showcase.
Siyempre, hindi matatawaran yung mga hardworking na mga Sinag Liga Asia staff natin.
Like
diba?
From the very start, boss.
Yes.
Even before our inaugural season, I'm still seeing same faces. Their hard work and dedication makes our league
totoo. Kaya
really good.
Nila Molina, di ba? Grabe. Yung mga referee natin, yung mga official table natin, mga director natin, cameraman, di ba? Yung like sila Jenny, di ba? Sila Ma'am Janice, di ba?
It's out of the camera na work, but it's really a big jump in the scene.
Totoo yun. Kasi alam mo, hindi naman magiging successful lang isang bagay o isang company kundi dahil sa mga taong nasa loob ng Sinag Liga Asia.
As you take a look at that beautiful pass of George Diamante to John Mar Eligado. This John Mar Eligado, bosser, is from Apalit, Pampanga, and is really playing good right now, knowing that yesterday he was the best player of the game against the team they faced of last night.
Siyempre, nag-enjoy din yung mga director natin like si Edmond Quintana, si Veroni, di ba? Si Kuya Dudes, di ba? Na talagang enjoy sila sa Sinag Liga Asia. Bukod sa nakikipag-compete yung mga bata nila, sila rin mismo, alam mo yun, nag-challenge sila eh sa mga coaching staff dito. Ay, sorry, mga kabuuan ng team.
As Elijah UC knocked down that shot from beyond the arc. Mesa, above the switch, jumper is good. To Axel Kitane. Garcia. Great help. Prince now. Back to Garcia. Garcia to Prince Alao. From the Rainbow territory, no go. Eligado once again. Great thing about yung game ngayon ng Apalit, I love it, boss. Like, nakikip na nila yung consistency nila.
Totoo, kasi dyan mag-i-start eh. Magpasahan kayo hanggang sa makakita ng libre. Gaganda yung rhythm ng team.
Justin Garcia. 8 minutes left on our fourth and final quarter. UC with the 3, and it's good. Back to Nielo Mesa. Mesa back to Capisado. Back to Perez.
Grabe naman Chavez na yun.
Nagpapalitan ng tres.
Yes. Diba? Hindi ka pwedeng alam mo yun, mag-relax sa pinapakita ng Clifton Tigers.
Tebol. Back to George. George Tolegado. Look at that selfless pass, and Elijah Yusin knocks the one-hand floater. Makes it his 5 consecutive points. Nielo Mesa. Mesa. Diamante with a steal. Diamante running. Back to Prince. Prince with a three-pointer. And it's good this time for more Prince Alaw. 61-42. The biggest lead Apalit I Love It has for this ball game as it alarms the Clifton Tigers. 61-42.
Sobrang bilis ba? Yan ang bilis ng FiberX. Yan ang internet.
Going back inside the Brenzy Giao Convention Center to take a look at that beautiful pass of George Diamante. Our Lakas shot of the quarter brought to you by CDO Food Spears, food that brings you home. By more Prince Alaw. Iba na yung connection ni George and ni Prince, no, Bossy? Because they were teammates for J Project Boomers on our SLA Junior Showcase Philippines and J Project Loading Team.
Yun naman ang kailangan The more na nakasama mo na isang player, so magigil kayo ng maganda di ba? Ang kailangan lang talaga ituloy-tuloy nyo. Saka, like what I said, kailangan nyo magpasahan para yung play masunod. Siyempre, very talented yung mga coaches na nandito sa Clifton Tigers, sa Apalit I Love It. So, alam nila kung paano i-handle yung mga batang to.
That's going back to the 6 minutes and 49 seconds, 61-42. George, grabe na yung utak ng bata to when it comes to basketball.
Yun ang maganda sa kanila kasi kung iisipin mo, yung ginagawa nilang training sa araw-araw, yun ang magdadala sa kanila
As Espano.
Singa, ikaw ang papapiliin ko.
Lakas move of the corner brought to you by the Cable Link and Holdings Corporation.
Nagulat ka, no? Kasi ang ganda ng mga pinapakita ng both teams, di ba?
Parang hirap
Oo, sabi ko sa'yo. Kasi yan ang maganda sa adjustment ng both coaches sa Apalit I Love It saka sa Clifton Tigers. No, di napatingin ka tuloy sa stat mo.
Binibigla mo kasi ako, Boss Ray
siyempre, parang si Enzo, nagugulat siya pag tinanong niya ako, sige nga, ikaw. Biro mo, ganito ka star-studded, di ba? Both teams, di ba? So, talagang lahat nakaka-connect, lahat ang ganda ng pinapakita. So, ikaw mismo, Pen, I think mahirapan ka.
Espano knocks that free throw. 6 minutes and 27 seconds. (63-44), still in favor of Apalit I Love It. The biggest lead of the ball game for Apalit. Word, Prince Alaw. Espano. Balik ang bola for Perez. Perez with a jumper. Short.
Huwag ka mag-alala, pwede ka naman kumuha ng dalawa.
But now let's turn it over to our courtside reporter, Alfea Enorpe, para sa report niya dito on player for Zaldi Remigio of Clifton, the head assistant coach of Clifton. Go ahead.
Clifton Tigers assistant coach Salvi Remigio mentioned that their team is not close with their opponent, Apalit. Sabi nga niya, ito'y parehong advantage at disadvantage because each other's strategies and game preparations are hidden and yet to be known. As of now, they are just trusting each other's capabilities to do well and keep up. Kaya naman tignan natin ang mga susunod nilang galaw. Back to you, Fen and Boss Ray.
Thank you so much, Alfea, on that one. Boss Ray, nakaka-cope up na dito kanina itong Clifton Tigers New Jersey. No? But the main problem is, if they have rhythm, if they are confidently on the rhythm, much more confident yung kumpiyansa ng mga bata because of their coaching staff.
Totoo. Gaya nga na sinabi ko, umpisa pa lang, may Justin Baltasar ka, may Enchong Serrano ka. Siyempre nandiyan pa si Coach Sierra. Diba? Paano hindi ka gaganahan at paano hindi ka magpapakita? Diba? Kung mapapansin mo naman dito sa Clifton Tigers, may mga ganyang coach na talagang, alam mo yun, pinapabayaan ka lang maglaro na talagang yung tiwala nandun eh. So, ganon sila ka-excite maglaro para sa Clifton Tigers din.
Another missed opportunity. With 5 minutes and 2 seconds remaining. 67-44. Sideline inbound for Gilas. A bench player now, Yuri Masibak in for a pallet. I love it. Masibak. He passes it, but a traveling.
Arce, na-excite siya.
(67-44) with 4 minutes and 43 seconds.
Foul talaga yun, di ba?
Baseline inbound. Talagang bola dito for the Clifton Tigers. Back to Espano. Espano for 3.
Wow!
Look at the confidence Espano has.
Siyempre, alam niya, nanonood yung mga buong mundo, ha? Kaya kailangan niya magpakita kung anong meron siya.
That's really the point of this, no? Kaya nga, Boss Ray, SLA Junior World Showcase. Watch the world play. Yun yung hashtag natin. Eh, no?
Correct.
Nandito sa ating screen.
What a block. Pero tinawagan ng foul. Kamay daw. Okay. Nakikita natin sa slow-mo.
69-47. As another Encho Serrano on your screen. Tama ba, Boss Ray? He played for way back in the PBA for Phoenix Field Masters.
Yes, also Converge.
He was drafted by Phoenix before and then transferred to Converge.
Kasi, siyempre, alam mo yung laro ko yung Serrano, talagang pag nabigyan mo siya ng bola, dalawa lang ang gagawin mo kung defender ka eh. Either foul mo na siya para may stop mo siya or i-double nyo.
Una ko siyang napanood, Boss Ray, nasa Quezon tayo.
Ganun siya kalupit. Kaya ang taas na respeto sa kanya ng mga defender.
Going back here, Espano. With full confidence. Back to Orige. Orige, but there's a foul on Jimenez. Sideline inbound for Espano. Baseline. Substitution on the floor. Three minutes and 32 seconds remaining. Orige. Back to Giaba. Oh. But the ball stays on the offensive side because it's a kick ball.
Nakakatawa anong kumain yung mga players lahat sa I think umpukan. Di ba? Grabe, may mga kasama silang parents, di ba? May mga kasama silang mga girlfriend nila, di ba? Marami pang New York, New Jersey, di ba? Yung iba na Canada, na Dubai. Talagang biro mo, bit-bit mo lahat yun, di ba? Parang ang sarap ng feeling,
The
di ba?
support.
Nakabalik sila sa Pilipinas.
Iba pa din yung feeling kapag mayroong sumusuporta at naniniwala sa iyo, boss. As that steal is full confidence. Nice defense coming from Yuri Masibak on that one.
Talagang inahabol ni Masibak, no?
As we take a look back on that William Lianza and Yuri, I really do believe it's a clean defense for the team of Apalit. I love it.
Offensive. Nanggigil siya dun. Kasi humingi na siya ng bola, hindi naibigay agad sa kanya.
A clear young offensive foul. Two minutes and 56 seconds remaining.
So, si Enzo pala nawala na ng boses. Joke lang, Enzo.
Enzo, kung nanonood ka man ngayon sa live.
Napagod na.
Napagod na, boss. Kasi grabe naman talaga yung energy ni Enzo kahapon sa opening ceremony, boss.
Sobra.
Feeling ko may pinanggalingan yung energy niya na yun.
Siyempre, biro mo. Siya mismo nagbuhat ng ng DJ.
Kala ko ng program.
Grabe yung layup na yun.
But going back to the 2 minutes and 27, a free layup for Migs Lugto. Boss Ray, ang ganda ng pinapakita ng Apalit ngayon. Kahit ang laki ng lamang nila, yung sipag nila sa depensa is still on point.
Kaya nga na sinabi mo kahapon, nag-relax sila, di ba? Siyempre yung mga coach na yan, nag-adjust yan na hindi pwedeng ganun.
Awesome. Jeremy Bukat knocks down his second triple.
2 minutes.
Three-pointer again, babawi, no go. Apalit and Lovic basketball. Bukat, back to Lugto. Short this time, but look at that defense.
Wow, biro mo na apat yung pumantay sa kanya, naiiwan niya.
Pero may foul doon.
Yun ang nagustuhan ko sa Clifton Tiger kasi talagang laro lang sila, takbuhan dito, takbo doon, depensa dito, di ba? Talagang, alam mo yun, kahit na ganyan yun lamang sa atin, laro tayo. Talagang pinapakita nila yung talent din nila.
As William Lianza now on the 15-footer line. First one is no go. Alam mo, Boss Ray, kanina yung na-cover namin na game ng 17 under for Clifton Tigers, New Jersey, their main problem is their free throw shooting. And that's also the problem of this 19 under division nila.
Totoo. Kasi, biro mo yung mesa ngayon palang papasok, di ba? Kanina, ang dami niya pinakitang yung talent niya, di ba? So, yan, bumalik na.
1 minute and 31 seconds remaining. Masibak with the basketball. Yuri back to Lugto. Ball is back to Cruz. Lugto is short that time. Balik ang bola kay Lugto. Masibak this time. There was no time left for them to be able to replenish their move.
Ang ganda ng depensa ng Clifton Tigers doon. Natawa si Coach Enchong kasi alam mo, hindi yung mga bata niya hanggang, alam mo yun, last minute na.
Yun kasi naging pagkakamali nila yesterday.
Totoo.
And it's very good thing about this team of Apalit. I love it. Ang bilis nilang mag-cope up on what happened yesterday. It could have been a disaster. They cannot defend. But rather today, they really, look at that. That was a risky pass, but no one was there. Pero sorry, miss lang yun para kay Cruz. Lianza.
Sayang yung pasa na yun, ilog to.
William. Yellow Mesa.
Woo!
Back to Calamigio.
Grabe naman yun.
It's a Apalit basketball. Mukhang nagdidiwang na ang mga taga-Apalit, especially their beloved Mayor Jun Tetanco and Vice Mayor Peter Nucom. Another win for Apalit. I love it. We're just waiting for the final buzzer here. And that will do it. 77-50 is our final score. Apalit, I love it, dominantly won against the Clifton Tigers, New Jersey. Boss Ray, what they did yesterday was a disaster. They cannot defend if they lose, but today they really bounce back harder.
Yun ang maganda sa kanila, talagang pinakita nila na yung team nila hindi biro eh. Kasi biro mo, nandiyan yung mga big names ng mga players ni Apalit, I love it. Tapos kahapon, muntik pa sila, di ba? Dahil nga, alam mo, na-overconfident sila dahil alam naman natin kung gaano kalakas yung lineup nila. So ngayon, pinakita nila Coach Shera, nila Coach Enchong Serrano, ni Coach Balti na hindi basta-basta yung Apalit. So pinaramdam nila sa Clifton Tigers na yun nangyari kahapon, hindi na pwedeng maulit ngayon.
A lot of players is holding their pride. And especially the players coming from Apalit really holding the pride of Apaliteño. So talagang, Boss Ray, we can see that Apalit, I love it. If they can go through the semifinals, we can see here, mapuno ang Brandygao Convention Center. About 77-50 is our final score. But now let's turn it over to our courtside reporter. Dahil kasama niya na ngayon, ito ating mga best players of the game.
I am now beside the SINAG Best Player of the Game. Wow, what a game. We have two best player of the game. Now first, this is Gio Diamante of Apalit. I love it with 12 points, 5 rebounds, 4 assists, and 5 steals. Now first of all, congratulations on your win. Now my question is, ano yung nag-motivate sa'yo, sinabi sa'yo ni Coach na para mapanalo mo yung laro ngayon?
Siguro di lang makakontento sa mga panalo namin. Kung anong napanalo namin at saka sa ngayon, doble effort lang.
May gusto ka bang batiin sa mga nanonood?
Binabati ko yung girlfriend at saka pamilya ko at saka Mayor Boost Jun at saka sa buong iski ng San Vicente at saka kay Boost Chino.
On the other hand, we have Jamir Eligado who's back-to-back of being best player of the game with 17 points, 12 rebounds, 1 assist, and 1 steal. Now, first of all, congratulations ulit. Now, my question is, paano ka naging consistent para maging top yung laro mo ngayon?
Sumusunod lang ako dun sa binibigay na role sa akin nila Coach Jay tsaka nila Coach Encho, Coach Balti. Yun lang, sumusunod lang talaga ako dun sa binibigay na chance sa akin para makalaro sa Apalit.
May gusto ka bang batiin sa mga nanonood?
Binabati ko yung mga tita ko sa UAE, kila Tita Gets, kila Tita Tay, tsaka sa lola ko dyan sa Barangay Bora.
Once again, our SINAG Best Player of the Game. Now back to you, Pen and Boss Ray.
Thank you so much, Kim. And of course, congratulations to Eligado and George Diamante, who has been the back-to-back best player of the game. Of course, Boss Ray, nahirapan tayo sa pagpili dun. But of course, 77-50 is our final score. Apalit, I love it, dominantly win against this Clifton Tigers, New Jersey. And coming up next is Pampanga Padera Theme Park versus the Passion Sports for our 17 under division. In behalf of Boss Ray Alao, Kim Advencola Alfea, and on behalf of Direct Omar Santiago, Direct Althea, and the rest of the hardworking men and women nagtrabaho mula dito sa Brandygao Convention Center, this has been Penelope Wilhelmina. And always remember that life is a better place to be when basketball came along.